Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and useful guide on how to clear your clipboard on any Android device. Whether it's sensitive information or just tidying up, we've got you covered. Step 1. Access your clipboard. The clipboard on Android isn't a standalone app, but a part of the keyboard functionality. To access it, simply tap on any text field to bring up your keyboard. For most users, pressing and holding the spacebar or the G icon on the Google keyboard opens the clipboard. But here I have on my top screen, so I'm just tapping on it. So step 2, manage your clipboard. Once you've accessed your clipboard, you'll see your recently copied items. Here's where you can usually view, paste, delete or manage individual clips, but what if you want to clear everything? So to clear the clipboard, the process might differ slightly depending on your device and keyboard app. Here you can simply see the settings bar, tap on it and you'll typically see a delete option or a clear all button. Tap it and voila, your keyboard is clean. For other keyboards, you might need to explore the settings or long press on individual items to find the clear or delete option. A quick tip: if your keyboard doesn't support direct keyboard clearing, you can always restart your device as a last resort. This usually clears the clipboard, though it's a bit like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Step 4. Use clipboard management apps. If your default tools aren't cutting it, numerous clipboard manager apps on the Google Play Store can give you enhanced control on your clipboard history. These apps often come with features like pinning important clips, auto clearing after a set time, and more. Just remember, when installing third party apps, always review permissions and user feedback for privacy and security. And that's how you clear your clipboard on any Android device. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and comment below with any questions or what you'd like to see on our next video.